When we think about wealth, the first thing that often comes to mind is money. While it is undoubtedly a key element of wealth, building true wealth is about much more than just earning money. In fact, wealth encompasses various aspects of life: financial security, personal growth, emotional well-being, and the ability to create lasting legacies. It is a holistic approach to living that goes beyond accumulating cash or assets. In this video, we will explore why building wealth is about much more than simply earning money, and how focusing on a broader perspective can lead to lasting success and fulfillment. The traditional view of wealth. Traditionally, wealth is often measured by the amount of money one has. The more money you make, the wealthier you are perceived to be. This view has led many to pursue high-paying jobs, invest in lucrative ventures, and seek ways to maximize their income. While these are important steps on the path to financial security, they fail to capture the full picture of what it means to build wealth. Money is just one piece of the puzzle, and focusing solely on earning money can lead to imbalances in life that hinder long-term success. In today's society, the idea of riches is often associated with visible displays of wealth: luxurious homes, expensive cars, and extravagant vacations. Social media influencers, celebrities, and successful entrepreneurs perpetuate this image, making it seem as though wealth is primarily about having flashy possessions and an abundance of material goods. While these outward signs of success can be impressive, they often mask the true nature of wealth. True wealth is not defined by what we own, but by how we live, the choices we make, and the impact we have on others and the world around us. The role of financial security in building wealth. One of the first steps in building wealth is achieving financial security. This involves having enough income, savings, and investments to meet your needs, manage unexpected expenses, and plan for the future. While earning money is a critical part of this process, financial security goes beyond income generation. It requires developing smart money habits, such as budgeting, saving, and investing, to ensure that your financial resources are working for you in the long term. Financial security is the foundation that allows you to create wealth. When you are financially secure, you have the freedom to make choices based on your values and priorities, rather than being driven by a constant need to earn more money. You can focus on long-term goals, like investing in real estate or retirement, without the pressure of day-to-day financial stress. This peace of mind is a crucial component of true wealth, as it gives you the freedom to pursue other aspects of life that contribute to overall well-being. Financial independence. While earning money is important, relying solely on earned income from a job or business can limit your ability to build wealth over time. To achieve true financial freedom, many individuals look to build passive income streams. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort or time commitment, and it is an essential part of long-term wealth building. Common examples of passive income include rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, royalties from intellectual property, or income from online businesses. The power of passive income lies in its ability to generate money even when you're not actively working. This means that you can focus on other areas of life, whether it's spending time with family, pursuing passions, or contributing to causes you care about while still building wealth. Building passive income streams requires time, effort, and knowledge. It's not an overnight process, but it is one of the most powerful ways to create financial freedom. Passive income allows you to break free from the cycle of trading time for money and gives you the opportunity to use your time and resources in more meaningful ways. The importance of investing. Investing is a cornerstone of building lasting wealth. While saving money is undoubtedly important, it is not enough to simply set aside cash for the future. Inflation, the natural rise in the cost of living over time, erodes the purchasing power of idle cash. To build true wealth and secure financial independence, it is essential to make your money work for you. Investing enables your money to grow at a rate that outpaces inflation, helping you build long-term financial security and increasing your purchasing power. Unlike saving, where your returns are limited to the interest provided by a savings account, which is often lower than the rate of inflation, investments can generate significantly higher returns. Investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and businesses, allow you to participate in the growth of industries, economies, and innovative ventures. Each investment option comes with its own level of risk and potential reward. For instance, stocks offer higher returns but carry greater volatility, while bonds provide stable but lower returns. Real estate offers tangible assets that appreciate over time, and businesses, if successful, can generate substantial income and equity. The key to success in investing lies in diversification. Diversifying your portfolio across various investment vehicles spreads risk and ensures that a poor performance in one area does not jeopardize your overall financial health. Diversification also maximizes your potential to gain consistent, long-term returns, as different investments react differently to market conditions. This approach underscores the importance of long-term thinking in investing. It is not about trying to get rich quick, but rather about making strategic decisions that allow your money to grow steadily over decades. Investing also teaches invaluable life skills that go beyond finance. It instills patience, as meaningful returns often take years or even decades to materialize. It requires discipline to stick to your investment plan, even during market downturns when the temptation to panic sell is high. Most importantly, it fosters a mindset of long-term growth over short-term gratification. Building wealth through investing is a journey, not a sprint. By consistently investing and allowing compound growth to take effect, even small amounts can turn into significant sums over time. For example, consider two individuals. One saves $500 a month in a traditional savings account, while the other invests $500 a month in a diversified portfolio with an average annual return of 8%. Over 30 years, the first individual may accumulate around $180,000, while the second could build over $750,000 thanks to the power of compound interest. This simple example highlights why investing is not just a luxury, but a necessity for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom. The impact of mindset on building wealth. While the mechanics of earning, saving, and investing are critical, the role of mindset in wealth creation cannot be overstated. Your mindset shapes your financial decisions, habits, and behaviors, all of which determine your ability to create and sustain wealth. A wealth-building mindset is not just about numbers or strategies, it is a powerful belief system that sets the foundation for long-term success. The wealth mindset is a way of thinking that focuses on growth, opportunity, and value creation. People with this mindset understand that wealth is not simply about acquiring material possessions, but about creating lasting value in their lives and the lives of others. A person with a wealth mindset views challenges as opportunities for growth, takes calculated risks, and prioritizes long-term goals over short-term gratification. They recognize that wealth is not a zero-sum game. Abundance exists, and success is achievable through effort, learning, and perseverance. In contrast, a poverty mindset is rooted in scarcity, fear, and a focus on short-term needs. People with this mindset often believe that wealth is reserved for a select few, or that they are inherently incapable of achieving financial success. This negative mindset can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors, such as overspending, avoiding risk entirely, or failing to plan for the future. For instance, someone with a poverty mindset may prioritize immediate comfort, such as spending on unnecessary luxuries, rather than investing in their long-term financial growth. Developing a wealth mindset requires a shift in perspective. It begins with self-awareness, as you identify and challenge limiting beliefs about money. Many people grow up with ingrained ideas about wealth, such as money is the root of all evil or rich people are greedy. These beliefs can unconsciously hold you back from achieving your full financial potential. To develop a wealth mindset, you must replace these limiting thoughts with empowering beliefs, such as money is a tool to create opportunities, or I am capable of building wealth and creating value. A wealth mindset also involves cultivating positive habits. For example, investing in your personal growth through education and skill development can increase your income potential and opportunities. Learning from financial mistakes rather than avoiding them allows you to grow and make better decisions in the future. Surrounding yourself with people who inspire and challenge you can also reinforce your mindset and encourage growth. Ultimately, people with a wealth mindset view money as a tool for freedom and impact. Wealth is not about hoarding money, but about using it to create opportunities, contribute to society, and live a fulfilling life. This mindset shift transforms how you approach financial decisions. Instead of focusing on limitations, you begin to see the potential for growth, abundance, and positive change. The role of personal growth and development. Building wealth is not just about financial strategies, it's also about personal growth. True wealth is about becoming the best version of yourself mentally, emotionally, and physically. This holistic approach to wealth encourages you to invest in your skills, knowledge, and well-being, so you can enjoy long-term success and happiness. Personal growth is critical in helping you develop the resilience, discipline, and perseverance required to build wealth. When you focus on improving yourself, whether through learning new skills, improving your emotional intelligence, or taking care of your physical health, you create the foundation for lasting wealth. Additionally, building wealth through personal development involves improving your relationships with others. Wealth isn't just about money, it's also about building strong connections, contributing to your community, and having a positive impact on the lives of others. The relationships you build and the value you create for others are often just as important, if not more so, than the money you accumulate. True wealth is about creating a life of fulfillment and purpose, not just having a bank account full of cash. In conclusion, building wealth is not about earning money alone. It is about adopting a mindset that values long-term financial security, personal growth, and creating a meaningful life. True wealth goes beyond material possessions. It's about financial freedom, personal development, and making a positive impact on the world. By focusing on financial security, investing wisely, developing passive income streams, cultivating a wealth mindset, and investing in your personal growth, you can build a life of abundance that goes far beyond just having money. The journey of building wealth is a lifelong process that requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to embrace opportunities for growth. True wealth is about creating a legacy that will last for generations and positively impact those around you. So, remember, building wealth is about much more than just earning money. It's about living a life of purpose, abundance, and fulfillment. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.